Hey, good evening. My name is Charles Virgill. I'm about to show you a tutorial about the Scratch programs, and I'm about to show you how to make your actual sprite turn into a beach ball or any type of ball, and I guess start bouncing, start moving. This is for first-time users. Okay, you'll want to go to costumes, and you'll want to import a costume. So when you first click it, you'll just see this menu bar right here. Then you want to go to things, and then you can pick either baseball, basketball, beach ball. It really doesn't matter. I'ma just put beach ball. Okay, now you're able to delete this costume, and you can also name your sprite beach ball, or you can name it whatever you like. Okay, now you have your beach ball. Now you want to make it actually move. You always start with when click. That's always the best thing to do. And then you go to point in a certain direction, and then we'll go to a certain access, sorry, and then control. You want it to always move, so you go to forever. Then you want it to move in a certain steps. So just go to that, and if on edge bounce. Okay, now let's watch what it's going to do. Look at that, it's moving, but it's not really moving to direction we want it to do. So what we're going to do is we're going to stop it, and it's moving from a left and right direction. You see pointing direction here. So 90 degrees basically right and left, negative right and left. That's the same thing. I'll show you. Look, same thing. 180. It's going to basically move in an up and down direction, sorry, and 0 degrees is going to basically do the same thing. So what you want to do, let's think about this. So you want to do it in a degree where it can go basically everywhere. So we'll just do a 150 degree. We'll see how that works out. Look at that. Look at that. So it's bouncing around the page. So let's start now. So these are variables like move 10 steps. If we do a lower variable as in 2, it's gonna move in a slower speed rate, and that's kind of boring. So we're gonna keep it at 10. And also this is an important variable right here, if on edge bounce, because if it's not, watch it, it's gonna go off the page. You will see it again. It's gonna go off the page. So this is a very important variable because it actually keeps your sprite actually on the page that you're looking at. And we'll see what happens when we take away this axis right here. Let's see what happens with that. Okay. Really nothing happens. So I guess that really wasn't important. Okay, and this is what this is actually how you make your sprite move in a certain direction, and your sprite is a beach ball. Another cool thing you can do is you can actually go to your stage, and this is actually a white background, as you can see here in your surrounding area. So you can import a background. You could go anywhere. Okay, so when you click it, this is what you're about to see. So you can indoors, nature, outdoors, sports. Let's check what is an indoor. You have a bedroom, chalkboard, just random stuff, just random things. It's kind of cool though. Outdoor, of course, it's outdoor stuff. Cool, everything is cool. And you know, if you just continue looking through, you just see a bunch of interesting backgrounds, and you basically can pick anyone, like like a big ball just bouncing, around, so that's kind of cool. And you're also able to shrink your ball small as you want, so that's also kind of cool. And you could also make it as big as you want if you want it to be as appropriate as possible. But it's whatever, it's your sprite, it's your game, you can do whatever you like. So let's watch this. Look at that. It's kind of ridiculous. Okay, and yeah, that's how you make your sprite. You want to click box sprite. Okay, and this is how you make your sprite into a beach ball and you make it move. This is for beginners. Thank you for your time. Thank you for your patience. My name is Charles Virgill, just showing you how to use a sprite on the basic steps. Bye.